Okay, you've got a coat. And you've got a coat. And you've got a coat. Go do your coat thing, Orly. Is that Sadie and you? Oh my gosh. You can almost jump out. Oscar! Sadie and Max. Hey, you guys are cute. You have coats. Coats? Honey. Oscar. He wants to go in. Orly, do your little coat thing. Yes. Okay, I'll do it. Do your little coat thing. They love Orly. Sadie, Max, and Orly are really good buds. Yay! Oscar de la Rente. Honey. She looks so young. Okay, honey. Oh, look. The water's already frozen. Orly, look. How about this one? Already frozen. Sadie, are you thirsty? I'll get you some water. Orly, go do your coat thing. No. Do it. Oh, cool shadow. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye.